Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and today's video I will teach you how to enable VoLTE calls on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. So okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you only have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, here in settings, okay, go to connection, okay, tap the connections. And okay guys, here in connections, okay, go to mobile networks, okay, tap this. And okay guys, here in mobile network, okay, you can see the VoLTE Call SIM 1 and VoLTE Call SIM 2. And okay guys, you can enable this SIM 1 or SIM 2 VoLTE calls. To do that, okay, you have to do is tap the switch button on the right side. So okay guys, for my example, I enable the VoLTE Calls SIM 1. Okay, you all have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side of this VoLTE Calls SIM 1. And okay guys, that's it. Okay, we have successfully enabled the VoLTE Calls SIM 1, and also you can enable the VoLTE Calls SIM 2 by switching on the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully enabled the VoLTE calls on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.